welcome to session 5. We are 2 sessions away from completing this pack. Are you ready to do some pop squats, burpees, and side plank knee up? Yes, you are, because you've done these movements and you're going to do it very well this time. But before we start, let's get some warm-up. Let's begin our warm-up with some shoulder movement. Arm rotation, forward, and then backward, and then some swings up and down. Okay, let's do this together for 20 seconds. Go. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, reverse those arms. Nice large movements, and swing. Keep them nice and straight, and done. Your second one is the knee hug. All we do is bring that knee all the way up to the chest and hug strong. Are we ready? Let's go, 20 seconds. This one, really stretching and opening up the glutes, the hamstrings, your hips. Keep alternating. Breathe, inhale and exhale, and done. Your third one is for the hamstring. Keep your feet wider than hip width, arms right on top, and from one side to the other. Are we ready? 20 seconds, and go. Keep those arms nice and straight, going all the way up to the top, and then to the side. Really feel those hamstrings open up. You go a little faster. And done. And your fourth warm-up movement is the jumping jack. Feet together, arms to the side, jump out, arms going all the way up and back. Let's do this together for 20 seconds and go. Land soft. Ensure your arms go up straight. Come on. Warming up for the main movements. And done. Your first movement is the pop squat. Feet together, arms up together, and jump down to a squat and jump back in. Are we ready? 30 seconds on the clock and go. You've done this before, so now you have no excuse but make it strong. Come on. Push your knee out when you squat down. Drop your hips. Push that arm all the way up. 10 seconds. Keep moving. We're almost there. And done. Your second movement is the burpees. Yes, the very famous burpees. All fours, jump out, go down, come up, jump back in, jump back up. You know it. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Come on. Whew. This is one explosive movement that can really help you build your endurance, your cardiovascular endurance. Come on, jump up. 10 seconds. Keep moving, keep moving. And done. Your third movement is the side plank knee up. Go straight down on your elbow, legs straight out to a side plank position. 15 seconds on either side. Go. Bring that knee in. Come on. Straight legs. Almost done. And switch. Really quick. You ready? Hips up and go. Don't drop those hips. Squeeze your abs. Almost there, almost there. Don't drop. And done. Rest for 30 seconds before we move on to round 2. Some shoulder rotations. Arm rotation. Relax, breathe. Come on, 10 seconds. You've only gotten stronger. Round 2, movement 1. Let's get ready for the pop squat. And 30 seconds on the clock. Go. You can take your feet a little wider than hip width, but ensure your knees are going out to the side. Diagonal. Drop your hips. Take those arms up. Jump in and jump out. 10 seconds. Focus on the breathing. Almost there, come on. And done. Let's go straight into those burpees. Are we ready? 30 seconds and go. Jump up. Come on, take that chest to the floor. Jump out and in. You don't need to step out. You've done this many times. Come on. 10 seconds. Keep going. Almost done. Don't stop now. And done. And your third movement is the side plank knee up. Let's go straight down on your elbow. Straighten that leg out. 15 seconds on either side. Let's go. Bring that knee all the way in. Don't drop your hips down. Squeeze your abs. We're almost there. Come on, don't give up. Breathe. And switch. Real quick. 15 seconds. And go. Don't drop your leg down. Come on. Let's finish this strong. Stay with me. Almost done. And done. Rest 30 seconds before we move on to round 3. Take a deep breath. Relax. Grab a sip of water. Walk around. Shake those shoulders off. And get ready for your final round of the final session. 10 seconds. Prepare. Third round, movement 1. Get ready for those pop squats. 30 seconds on the clock. Go. Keep your upper body as straight as possible. Feet hip width apart or wider. Jump in and jump out. Push your knee to the side. Come on. Hands all the way up. Last round. Make it count. 10 seconds. Don't stop now. Come on. Almost there. And done. Let's go straight into those burpees. Are we ready? 30 seconds and go. Jump up. Come on, take that chest to the floor. Jump out and in. You don't need to step out. You've done this many times. Come on. 10 seconds. Keep going. Almost done. Don't stop now. And done. Your last movement, the third one. Let's go down for that side plank knee up. I want those hips nice and strong. Don't drop it down. Let's go. 15 seconds on either side. Extend that arm and that leg straight out. Squeeze your abs. Come on, almost done. Hold, hold, hold. And switch real quick. Straight legs. Are we ready? And go. Only 15 seconds. Come on. Squeeze those abs. Yes, I feel the burn just like you. We're in this together. Come on, let's make this strong. Almost done. Your final one. And done. And it's time to cool the body down. Your first one is the quad stretch. Grab your ankle, close to the butt and hold. Okay, are we ready? 10 seconds on either side. Hold. If you tend to lose balance, grab a wall, chair, table, anything, but hold that stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, switch legs. Grab the ankle, bring your heel really close to the butt and hold. This one's great for your quadriceps. You've worked them, now let's stretch them. Breathe and down. The next one is for the hamstring. Okay, keep your feet hip width apart. Keep your knees soft but don't bend it. Go all the way down and hold. Are we ready? 20 seconds. Hold. Reach your arms all the way down to the floor. Grab your toes. Just hold that stretch. Straighten your knee and you will feel the stretch a little more on your hamstring and your calf. Almost done. Hold on. And done. From here we go straight for the hip flexor. Get one leg in front, the other one all the way back. Now, the leg at the back, straighten it out. Don't bend the knee. Okay? Arch the upper body, open the hip flexor. Are we ready? 10 seconds and hold. Yeah, arch the upper body so that way your hip flexors get a better stretch. Hold on. And switch. Really quick and up. 10 seconds. You can really feel the stretch. Hold, hold. And up. The last one for your back and chest. Bring your arms in front, together. Keep your knees soft and stretch that back. Hold 10 seconds. Breathe in and breathe out. And back. Push your arms back. Open the chest. Hold. Hold. Almost done. Relax. And you are done. Good work, my friend. Now, those burpees and pop squats together are such a killer combination, right? And I can already feel my lung capacity or lung functionality improving. And why not? Now, that is the intention of this pack, to improve our cardiorespiratory system, right? You're doing a great work there. Keep it consistent, and I will see you in session 6.